I want to show you how to start embedding your song information into your music files. You definitely want to do that. Reports show that approximately 24,000 tracks are released every day, a million every 6 weeks. Now that's a lot of music. And it's becoming increasingly difficult to match proper owners with songs. Here's a great way that your songs are properly credited and that you can put in the information that's necessary to identify your music with you. The first software I want to take a look at is called Sound Grinder. And right now it's only available for Mac. Sorry about that, PC users, but I do have one for you as well. Let's take a look at this one first. You want to go to where your song file is located and determine which type you want to use. I'll use a WAV file. Okay, we're inside of Sound Grinder, and this software again is for Mac users. First thing, before I even pull the song in, I want to show you something. Here is the song that I'm using. I pulled it to my desktop, and I'm going to right click on it. It says Get Info. If you look here in the top part, I inputted this in myself. However, the software and what I'm going to show you today will show you how to embed some of the information within the actual file itself. But I want to show you what you can do in the meantime, and I do this to all of my files, even when I get them back from the mastering engineer or whomever I have working with me. They encode stuff, but I also add this information as well. All right, so I'm going to drag the song in, and as you can see, it pulls in information up top here. And I'm not going to go over all of the things that Sound Grinder does. You can do that at your leisure. You can actually download a demo if you'd like to see how it all works. It also does batch processing. It converts files to different formats. So it's a great package. And what I want to do is show you here, go down to where it reads metadata. And I've already put in some stuff, so it's going to show you. Here in the ID3 tags, you can see all of the things you can put in. Like I already put in my name here. And what you do is you come over and option click, and you can put that in. And then press enter. So I just put in a couple of things there. Let me, I was going to do it again and I messed up. But there we go. So I just did a couple of things just to show you the file type. And this is the part I want to tell you, but I made a mistake here, so we're going to fix this. This is my ISRC number. There we go. All right, so I just put in a few things, but you can put in whatever you want to put in. All types of information. Lead artists, performers, the length of the song. I'm going to show you once you do that, it writes to the file. Put in the publisher's information here. You can add recording data, the dates, all types of information. It does MP4s, it does different types of files. But I want to show you, I did the year. So then you press convert. So it gives me another file here. Let's click off and see what goes. I'll just hide it. And now if I click Get Info, let's go here and it should show, see, it shows here, first part of the information. Copyright information has my name and a year. It has embedded that to the file. Okay, so I thought you would find that particular one interesting. Let's get back to the screen. And now for you PC users, I want to show you this software called BWF Metadata. Does the same thing. It can write to song files as well. We want to open the file here. I'm going to use this one. Now, on this particular software, this one is for PC. If you don't necessarily know what some of the codes and the information is, you just click on the question mark there, and it gives you all of what everything means. Like in the text, if you want to use a particular coding and how it should be encoded, it gives you all of that there. What the different codes mean. The ICOP is the copyright. So whichever one you want to put in, you want to make sure these are checked. So I'm going to close this and show you that. Click on the toolbar, and here is where you can choose which of the codes that you want included. This is the songwriter one. I clicked on the ISRC. Of course, you want information like your artist names. Let's look at it and see which one it is. So if you want to put in, you want to do the IN for the engineer, IGNR for the genre. So let's do a couple more. I have this one. Let's do iArt for the artist. And let's say, just for another example. Okay, IGNR for the genre. Artist and IGNR for the genre. So then it will populate that field. So then here, click on it, put in the artist name. The genre. ISRC number. I forgot what ICOP stands for. Let's look at it again. Copyright ICOP. Click OK. And then to save it. Let's see what happens here. There we go. I wanted to let you know that the software has the ability to write this information to the actual file.